Hello students, just a continuation of the last video. In the last video I had taught you that the article an is used for a vowel lettered word, and for the consonant lettered word we use the article a. Okay, now let us quickly see when do we use the article a and when do we use the article the. Okay, now first condition is when we are talking about any person, place, animal or thing for the first time. Okay, we are talking about that person or a thing or an animal for the first time, we use the article a. Okay, if it is a consonant lettered word, like just I said, if it is not a vowel a, e, I, o, u, the 21 alphabets are the consonant, and any word that begins with a consonant, that is a consonant lettered word, has the article a. For example, a ship, a book. Okay, and you are talking about a particular thing or about a particular person for the first time. You have never referred to that thing or to that person before, and it is for the first time you are speaking about that person or about that thing. You use the article a. Like for example, this is a brilliant book. I have not spoken to you about this book before, or it is not any specific book, it is any general book. Did I mention that this is a specific book related to English, or this is a specific book related to maths? No, it is a general book. The book can be anything. It could be your story book, it could be your puzzle book, any book. So it is a general book, any book. So we use the article a. Okay, you are not specific about this thing. Okay, exact opposite is the article the. Okay, when do we use? We use it when we are talking about something very specific. Okay, like the sun, very specific. The moon, very specific. It's one of its kind, very specific. It is only one of the kind, very specific. You use the article the. Okay, and you are talking about some person or something for the second time, not for the first time. For the first time you use the article a, but when you are talking about the same thing or the same person for the second time, you use the article the. Like for example, I ate a pear. Because you are talking about this fruit pear for the first time. Did I mention pear over here any before? No, I have referred to it for the first time. So I am using the article a. But I want to say something more about this fruit pear. Now I'll use the article the. The pear was sweet. Yes, this is the second time I'm using the word pear. So I use the article the. Because P is a consonant, we will not use, because P is not a vowel, it is a consonant lettered word, we will not use a and an. Okay. So a quick recap. An is exclusively used with the 5 vowels. A is used with the consonants. We use an with the honest and with the har. Okay, consonant lettered words have a, and vowel lettered words have an. Okay, a is used when you are talking about something in general, when it is a consonant lettered word, and when we are using any specific word or a specific name of a thing for the first time, you use the article a. Okay, when you are talking about the same thing for the second time, you use the article the. When you are speaking about something very specific, very special, you use article the. And that's all for today. Bye. Love you all. Thank you.